Yeah, hello all, welcome back to our channel guys. And actually today in this video, I'm going to show you that just I'm going to connect this USB drive to my projector, and just I'm going to open the files, and let's see how it's working fine or not. Let's in this video, let's we can see guys. And actually you can see here's the USB port in the back side of this projector. Just I need to plug it now actually. Okay, just now I'm going to plug this USB pen drive to the back side of this projector actually. Yeah, okay, I have connected pen drive, and here you can see it just got detected. External devices just got detected now actually. Here you can see just I'm going to select all. Actually there is only one image is there actually. Here you can see, here's the image guys. How clarity it is, it looks very good guys. Actually the clarity is also very awesome. Here you can see it's displaying actually this puppy's image, which this image is taken in my home only. Actually this is my home puppies actually, and looks good actually. The picture clarity is also very looks good guys. You can see it's fine, no issues in this. Likewise you can play any videos, or you need to open any files means also you can just do like this guys. There's a local memory is also there, like 3.48 GB is available. Actually there's a 14 GB pen drive just I have connected, and the files is also opening very perfectly. There is no issues in this. You can connect a pen drive and you can play guys, play video or files or images, anything you can do using this projector, and by using your pen drive also. Okay, that's good. Okay, and okay guys, thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you're having any queries or documents, ask in the comment section. Definitely I will reply, and do like us and subscribe our channel for more videos guys. Bye, let's see you in next video.